What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Barry. Today I'm going to fix my wheel alignment on this car because my passenger front right, I hit the racetrack Nurburgring wall, the wheel went outward, so this is my straight. So I'm gonna fix it using some alignment plates and hopefully it's easy. So yes.
I got my caliper. Okay, I'm gonna test this out. Centered 2.4. About 2.39. That's the passenger side. Let's see. Wow, this one's way more. 2.69, 2.7. Yeah, there's a big difference. So I'm gonna raise the left side up. So on my driver's side, I am looking at, it's nice to have a little caliper, even if it's not like the best. I'm looking at, what was that? 2.46, 2.47. Now on this side is like a whole nother, it's not even fitting all the way. So this side, .33. So I gotta raise this thing a couple small inches. So got my spanner wrench, got my little locking nut at the end, and gonna raise it. Away from you, it's gonna raise it. Moment of truth. I need 2.75. I'm going to the bottom lower mount because the locking ring is still there. Oh, yep. 2.75. Okay. Now I just gotta lower this locking ring, and just make sure it's good. So I got my height where I want it to be, but now I'm doing my toe alignment plates. You can notice the 4 is missing. The 4 is showing, so that means I am at least, this one's inwards that much, so I need to make this go outwards. You can kind of tell it's pointing inwards, so it's easy fix. Raise the car, adjust toe. To adjust the toe, you need to have a 19. Release this, going upwards. Sorry, down. Going away from the car to loosen this. Once you do that, make some space. And then you just use a 14 and tighten that. So I should be making space to make it go outwards. So use this, go downwards. Make that space. I'll see how it goes later. Now I'm gonna tighten this. Put this back on, tighten it, and then drop it to the ground and reassess. Okay. Alright guys, and here we are in the city, in the town, and my alignment is like going to the left a lot. Now, I can look at it already, you can tell that's already like going that way. So, what I'm gonna do a quick alignment here in the middle of the street. It's not hard, I can do it. I'm gonna show you. You need a 14 and you need a 19. So again, this 19 is loosed. So 19 millimeter, use this, go down, loosen. Now, we're gonna use the 14 and we're going to make it go up.
once I can find it. It's right there. I'm doing all this by feel. Okay, locked. And yes, I'm on the ground. That's how you do an alignment. Quick alignment. That's just for a quick toe alignment. I'm pretty sure it's still gonna go to the left a little bit. I don't know. Well, I'll just see. I'll just do it again, like next time I stop. All right, funny thing, I made it go the opposite way. So I'm gonna stop and fix this for sure. This is horrible. Time to fix myself. I'm all sorts of jacked up. I need to have, damn, this thing's all sorts of going inwards. Then you go that way. So that means I need to release going down, and then I need to go downwards. All right, let's get back to this ground. Get the 19 millimeter. Releasing it, man. Okay, now it's released. And now I need to bring this thing downwards. Just a whole lot down. It's not a perfect method, but it's a method to do this. Just a bunch of stop and go trial methods. Everything's gonna work out. One rotation. Alright, that's enough for now. I'm gonna move this thing forward and backwards and see what happens. Oh god. After adjustments, this went left, so let me just reverse and let me just see if it's gonna fix itself at all. I suppose I won't really know unless I'm not. I think it's somewhat going straight so far. You know, after adjusting it so many times, I don't know why I'm so stubborn, but you know, all I need is my alignment plates. You know, just put them in there and there, and just see what I get. Alignment plate, 74 7/8, 74 7/8. Yeah, you know, I don't know why I decided to make it so hard on myself, but hey, there you go. It's aligned after doing it so many times. So I got tired of just constantly adjusting, so I brought these alignment plates out and I just started adjusting, and man, it worked a lot better. One thing I do want to mention is that you know, when you do a wheel alignment, you kind of want or need to have the same tire pressures. Why? Because it's like a car is typically like a table. You want all four legs to be exactly the same height. You know, I tried adjusting this before with uneven tire pressure. It's so weird. But now that I've done it, same tire pressure, use the alignment plates. I've always had the tool. I don't know why I didn't use it. I don't know why I was guessing it, but now it's exactly how I want it. Let's go for a test drive. Okay, yeah, that's pretty straight to me. It's doing what I wanted to do. It's going straight. Nice. Alignment plates, guys, it works, but that's not the point. The point is you have the tool, use it. The second point, equal tire pressure. Making it longer will make the wheel go out. So for the right side, passenger side, you're gonna make the tie rod go, or the toe, you're gonna make it go down. And then for the driver's side, you're gonna make it go up to make it go out. So just reverse it and you'll make the wheel go in. Just want to share with you guys, it's not too difficult. At the same time, it does take time, but hey, if I keep doing this, I'm going to save myself a lot of money. Now, this isn't, you know, a digital alignment of not at all, but it's something. It's something to not spend $100 every alignment, especially if it's just toe. Hope you guys learned something. My self-financial education. If you guys have any questions, now I know some of you guys might bash me for this, but hey, it's okay. I'm comfortable doing my own alignment the way I just did it. Well, anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you have questions, which I know some of you guys might, please leave a comment below, and I'm ready to answer. So please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.